everyone, and welcome back to the 3rd of December unboxing of my Rituals Advent Calendar. I already took the little ornament off the tree. Today's number 3, and on the back it says, Merry Massage. Stay balanced during the hectic holidays with the Ritual of Ayurveda Vada Dry Oil. I guess it's a dry oil. Let's open it up. They do have 3 different ones, I believe, and I already had one. Oh yes, and it's the same one. The Ritual of Ayurveda Natural Dry Oil for Body and Hair, Nourishing. Yes. So that's what it looks like. Very, very nice oil, actually. I had it before in a big bottle, and I think I already have a small one like this, but they're really great for traveling. And you don't need a lot of the oil, but it smells. I mean, it smells just like the rest of the Ayurveda line, and I love it. It was so good. It was so sad when it was empty, so I'm glad I have a little one now to use up. Yay, exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Unbox with me the 3rd of December. Tomorrow we're gonna do the 4th. So stay tuned for that, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.